if your entire YouTube channel could almost run itself, with AI doing the heavy lifting? In 2026, creators are using AI tools like ChatGPT, Descript AI, and Pictory to automate scripting, editing, thumbnails, and even publishing, saving hours of work every week. In this video, I'll show you how to fully automate your YouTube workflow using AI, so you can focus on creativity while AI handles the repetitive tasks. Let's get started. Use AI to write your video scripts. One of the most time-consuming parts of running a YouTube channel is writing scripts. Staring at a blank page, trying to figure out what to say next. It kills your momentum. AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude can write a full video script for you in minutes. All you have to do is give it your topic, your target audience, and the tone you want. It will generate a structured script with an intro, main points, and an outro. You don't have to use every word it gives you. Think of it as a rough draft that you refine with your own voice. Over time, you can even train these tools to sound more like you by feeding them examples of your previous scripts. This alone can save you several hours every single week. Generate video ideas without overthinking. Coming up with fresh content ideas every week is exhausting. AI makes this process way easier. Just tell an AI tool your channel niche, the type of audience you serve, and ask it to generate 20 video ideas. Within seconds, you'll have a list of topics you can actually use. You can go one step further and ask it to check which of those ideas have high search demand by combining it with tools like TubeBuddy or Viddy. Some AI tools now have this feature built in. The goal is to stop wasting mental energy on brainstorming and start using that energy on the content itself. Once you have a solid bank of ideas, you can plan your content calendar weeks or even months in advance without the usual stress. Create thumbnails faster with AI design tools. Thumbnails are one of the biggest factors in whether people click on your video or scroll past it. Designing them used to require Photoshop skills or hours on Canva. Now AI tools like Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, or even Canva's own AI features can generate stunning thumbnail concepts in seconds. You give it a description of what you want, and it produces options for you to choose from or edit. You can also use AI to analyze top-performing thumbnails in your niche and figure out what colors, fonts, and styles are getting the most clicks. The combination of AI generation and AI analysis means you can now produce professional-looking thumbnails without being a designer, and you can do it much faster than before. Automate video editing using AI-powered tools. Video editing is where most creators lose massive chunks of time. Tools like Descript, Runway ML, and CapCut's AI features are changing that completely. With Descript, you can edit your video just by editing the text transcript. Delete a sentence in the transcript and it disappears from the video. AI can also remove filler words like and automatically, clean up background noise, and even generate B-roll footage based on what you're talking about. Runway ML takes it even further with AI-powered effects, background removal, and color grading. These tools are not perfect, but they dramatically reduce the time you spend in the editing room. Even saving 1 or 2 hours per video adds up to dozens of hours per month. Write SEO titles and descriptions with AI. Getting found on YouTube is all about search optimization, and writing good titles and descriptions takes both skill and time. AI tools can do this for you extremely well. You paste your video topic or script summary into the tool, and it generates multiple SEO-optimized title options, a full video description loaded with relevant keywords, and even chapter markers with timestamps. Tools like VidEQ's AI Coach or TubeBuddy's AI features are specifically designed for this. The key is to not just blindly copy what the AI gives you, review it, adjust it to match your brand voice, and make sure the keywords actually match what your audience is searching for. But the heavy lifting? Let the AI handle that. Schedule and post content on autopilot. Creating the video is only half the job. After that, you still have to post it on YouTube, share clips on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and write captions for each platform. AI tools combined with scheduling platforms like Buffer or Metricool make this almost fully automatic. Tools like Opus Clip or Munch can take your long-form YouTube video and automatically cut it into short clips for Reels, Shorts, and TikToks, complete with captions. Then scheduling tools post everything at the optimal time for your audience without you having to touch it. This means a single YouTube video can fuel an entire week of social media content with minimal extra effort on your part. Use AI to respond to comments and engage your audience. Replying to comments is important for your channel's growth, but it's also one of the most repetitive tasks you'll do. AI can help you here too. Tools like YouTube's own comment management features, paired with AI writing tools, let you draft replies quickly. You can even use AI to identify your most important comments, questions that need a real answer, feedback worth acknowledging, or superfans worth engaging with. Some creators use AI chatbots connected to their channel to handle basic questions automatically. This isn't about replacing genuine connection with your audience. It's about not letting comment management eat up 2 hours of your day when AI can handle the routine stuff and leave you free to focus on the meaningful conversations. Analyze your channel performance with AI insights. Understanding what's working and what's not on your channel used to mean spending hours digging through YouTube analytics, trying to make sense of all the numbers. AI tools have made this much simpler. Platforms like TubeBuddy, vidEQ, and even third-party tools powered by AI can analyze your channel data and tell you in plain language what types of videos are performing best, what your audience retention looks like, which thumbnails are getting clicked, and what topics you should cover next. Some tools will even predict how a video will perform before you publish it based on your channel's historical data. Using these insights, you can make smarter decisions about your content strategy without spending hours buried in spreadsheets. Build an automated content pipeline. Once you understand all these individual tools, the real power comes from connecting them into a single automated pipeline. Here's how a basic setup looks. You use AI to generate your video idea and write the script. You record the footage yourself. AI handles the editing, captions, and thumbnail. AI writes your title, description, and tags. A scheduling tool posts the video and clips it automatically for social media. AI monitors comments and drafts replies for you. And AI analytics tools review the performance and suggest what to do next. Platforms like Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat, let you connect many of these tools together so they work automatically without you having to manually move things from one step to the next. This kind of pipeline is how solo creators can now compete with full production teams. Automating your YouTube workflow doesn't mean losing control. It means working smarter, not harder. With AI tools like ChatGPT for scripts, Descript AI for editing, and Pictory for video production, you can streamline your entire channel and focus on growing your audience. Which part of your workflow would you automate first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and YouTube growth strategies in 2026.